how to prepare your bike and your bike packing setup before you take a flight. I'm going to try to explain it as simple as possible. So because I'm going bike touring in Asia and I start in Vietnam and I will end in Thailand, I cannot buy a bike box because I don't know where I'm going to take a plane home from. So I started by getting this bike box from a bike shop. I just went to them and asked if they had one available, and luckily for me they had one. So now this is my bike box, and I also have prepaid now for the bike box. That is approximately $150 US. And I have my Ortlieb 89 liters pannier. So in this bike box, I'm allowed to have up to 32 kilos. And I have also paid a little bit more to have up to 30 kilos in my Ortlieb pannier. And I'm also allowed to have a carry-on on the plane with up to 7 kilos. So in total, it's going to be 69 kilos. And that is enough when I'm traveling without water and food and everything. So in the bike box, I'm going to have my bike, spare parts, tools, and my tent and sleeping equipment and everything I can put up till 32 kilos. But the things you bring in your bike box with your bike, you have to put them in their own box, or just use one of your panniers to just stuff everything in there so it's not loose parts with your bike. And how to pack your bike in this bike box is with some specific rules. I'm traveling with Thai Airways when I'm traveling from Norway to Vietnam, and their requirements is that I need to specify the measures of the bike box and the total kilos that I'm actually bringing with me. And how you actually pack your bike into the bike box, you have to either lower your seat post all the way down or take it all off. And you have to take off your front wheel and take off your handlebars. And when you take off your handlebars, you have to secure it and attach it to your frame so it's not going to go all around inside the box. And you also have to deflate your tires, or they can actually explode because of the pressure when you fly up and down in the plane. And you also have to take off your pedals. And when you put your bike and the other equipment inside the bike box, you need to secure the bike so it won't be damaged and that nothing is just flying around inside the box. But there can be some different requirements from each company you are going to fly with. So you have to pre-check with the companies, because some companies don't allow bike box, and also the price will be different from the company to company. So start with contacting your company, but usually it is as simple as this. So hopefully this helped you with some know-hows and how to approach when you want to go for a biking tour around the world. So hope this was helpful, and I wish you a nice journey. Just keep moving with happiness.